Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Yes. How many examples I finished? 7 examples in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of first homework problem?
10 pi square centimeter.
10 pi centimeter square per second, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pi. And I had given a cube example. Volume of cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Volume of cube. What is the final answer?
18 by 5.
18 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert that. Okay. That will be 3.6.
Okay, ma'am.
You convert, that will be 3.6 centimeters square per second. How many I had given? Only 2 or 3?
2, ma'am.
Only 2 I have given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone has solved? All
Yes,
6?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone has got the answer. First one is 10 pi centimeter square per second.
Yes,
And
ma'am. 3.6.
yes, 3.6 centimeter square per second. Okay. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Question was, what is the change in surface area? Surface area will be two-dimensional. So it will be centimeter square per second. Correct? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope, 1 second. I hope I'm clear with yesterday's class to everyone very clearly. Any doubts in yesterday's class to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I will repeat myself. From this exercise, you will get 5 marks question. Okay. Tumba important exercise because this is the actual way that you will understand how what your differentiability helps you. Okay. So that the name itself says applications of derivatives. That's why it is very important. Okay. Yes. We finished the 7 examples, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us continue. We don't need whiteboard. Here only we have questions, right? Okay, 7 I finished. The length of rectangle. Okay. Yes, this was asked many times. Okay, be careful. This was asked many times. The length of rectangle is given. Then the change in the perimeter and the change in the area of rectangle. Okay, that is done. Now, everyone, please read the question properly. 8th example. Now we have the next geometrical figure. Which all geometrical figure we did? One we finished circle, one we finished cube, and rectangle we finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, most of them was with respect to circle only. Even that stone example, when you throw a stone in the lake, that was also with respect to circle, rectangle, aito, square. Okay, next, what they are telling. Okay, read the question very carefully. One by one, I will highlight here. What they are telling, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation. Okay, so they are talking about spherical. Andre, namge yav geometrical figure bantilli?
Spherical.
Okay, so spherical shape andre nothing but sphere. Okay, now tell me, sphere is a two-dimensional figure or three-dimensional figure?
Three.
Figure. Correct? Okay, yes. See, if you're not talking about class, then please mute yourself. Otherwise, I will mute everyone. Okay. I'm trying my best to keep this online class as a offline class. Online andre ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, but I'm trying my best being at my home. I'm trying to have the conversation. I'm trying to make you feel like you are sitting in the class. So that is the reason I'm open to all of you to speak. If you're not talking about class, please mute yourself. If you have doubt, unmute, talk, then again mute it. I'm trying my best to make it a live class instead of online class. Okay. So what we were talking, a balloon which always remains spherical in shape on inflation. Inflation andre which becomes bigger. Okay. So on inflation andre you
Spherical is no dimension, no, ma'am.
I mean you talk about area here or you talk about volume here? We talk
Area.
for sphere. Okay. For sphere, we talk about volume, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take a cricket ball or any ball, okay, ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಏರ್ ತುಂಬಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
Yes, ma'am.
You can pump the air. So what we talk about here, volume of the sphere we talk about, not a circle here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So spherical on inflation is being inflated, okay, is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeters. Andre ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? You have a spherical balloon, okay, and this is being inflated. Inflated andre this is rising. When it will rise? If air is filled. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And air is filled, if it will rise. Means nothing but how much air is getting filled, that much volume is increasing or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರ್ ತುಂಬ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಬಲೂನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೇಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ಅದು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 900 cubic centimeter is nothing but rise in the volume?
Yes, ma'am.
So what they are telling, a balloon is there, it is being inflated, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. At what rate? At 900 cubic centimeters. So ಬಲೂನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. At what rate volume is getting increased? At 900 cubic centimeters, okay, of gas per second. So with respect to what it is changing?
Time.
Time. Very good. Okay, then what I have to find? Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing, okay, when it is 15 centimeter. So what I have to find here?
Radius.
The
Rate of radius.
rate of change of radius. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
One by one you write all the terms. Since it is a word problem, you have to write. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, let this is this, let this is this, ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so let R be the radius of the what? Sphere. Okay, let sphere or the nothing but what sphere they are talking about here? Balloon. Okay, so also let V be the volume of the sphere. Sphere ಅಥವಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ balloon. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what they are talking about here, let V be the volume. Volume ಆಯ್ತು. Now given, okay, change on volume they have given with respect to what? Time, because they have given cubic centimeters per second ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So is it with respect to time here?
Yes, ma'am.
So dV by dt is given. How much?
900 centimeter cube per second.
And what is asked? What is our given question? What I have to check? The change in radius. What will be change in radius? Nothing but dr by dt. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing. So radius of the balloon increase andre change in r. But what change in r with respect to time? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
dv by dt there, dr by dt there. Therefore, okay. Now, what is the volume of the sphere?
Is good.
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Yes, ma'am.
So volume of the cube is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So can we differentiate this with respect to r? Sorry, not
Yes,
r, with respect to t. Correct alva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So therefore differentiate v with respect to time, that is t, because they have told here per second. Is that correct? So this will be dv by dt, and on the other hand d by dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now dv by dt, for now I will keep it as it is. For now, dv by dt as it is. Now tell me
4
which
by
is
3.
constant. 4 by 3 and pi is also constant. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
are you finding with respect to what? T. Okay.
T.
First, r cube differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
3r square.
R square. Then again, r differentiation with respect to t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
dr by dt.
Correct? Huh? Now you'd substitute all the values that you know. Now here 3 and 3 I can cancel, and dv by dt we know. What is dv by dt?
900.
900 given in the question. Is it
Yes,
900
ma'am.
in the question? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So what is remaining on the other hand? 4 pi r square dr by dt. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? dr by
dr by dt.
shift the other values. So 900 divided by 4 pi r square. Okay. So radius. Radius ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Centimeter per second. Now this is the rate at which the radius is increasing till here. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So the rate, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. So at what rate the balloon radius of the balloon increases? At the rate of 900 by 4 pi r square centimeter per second. Okay. Now next one condition they have given. What is the
Radius is 15 centimeter.
radius is 15 centimeter. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? In general rate of increase ಸಿಕ್ತು. Now dr by dt at r equals to how much? 15. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? 900 divided by 4 pi into 15 square. 15 square ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 225 ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 15 square is 225 or not? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 15 square ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 225 ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
5 will remain as it is. 900, that will be 20. 900. They have solved it. 1 second. 900,
900, ma'am.
425. 900 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದು?
Yes, ma'am.
900 by 900. Okay.
1 by pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ma'am.
pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
5 centimeter per second.
1 second. 1 by 5 centimeter square. Textbook answer, I'll just check what they have kept. Okay, they have kept it 1 by pi only. Yes. So 225 into 4 times 900 ಆಯ್ತು. So ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲಿ? 1 by
1 by pi centimeter square.
per second. ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್? Because that was change in what? Radius. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. What is next question? A balloon which always, okay, 1 second. Any doubts in this question to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, centimeter square ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ma'am?
Radius ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be radius? Centimeter or centimeter square?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Correct? Radius
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nothing but what? Radius is nothing but distance from one point to the other point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Any doubts in this question to anyone?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what was given?
No, ma'am.
A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation. Inflation ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ rise ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ at what rate it was being inflated? At the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. So rise is nothing but ಯಾವಾಗ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ. ರೈಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 900 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? ರೈಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That will give you dv by dt and then find the rate at which radius changes or increases. So we found out dr by dt. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Given was by dt, we found out dr by dt. That's it. Okay. Shall I clear this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So next one. 1 second. Okay, just read the question till then. Can you all see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Yes. So what is the question given? A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Okay. So again, which the geometrical figure they are talking about here?
Spherical.
Spherical.
Spherical. So what we got? We understood it is a sphere. Okay. Has a variable radius. Variable andre eno, which is changing. Okay. Which variating. Okay. Has a variable radius. Then find the rate at which the volume is increasing with the radius. Okay. So tell me, volume is changing with respect to what here?
Radius.
With
Radius.
radius, not time. Correct, alva?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Careful. Whenever the parameter is there, that is very important because that decides whether you will differentiate with respect to t or whether you will differentiate with respect to r. That is very important. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ find the rate at which volume increases with the what radius.
Yes.
And the later ಅಂದ್ರೆ the radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. So first and foremost thing ನಾನು ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sphere is given. Okay. So they are talking about volume.
Let V be the volume of the
Let
sphere.
be the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. And
R be the radius of sphere.
yes, let R be the radius of the sphere. Okay, ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರಿಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ವಾ? You have to write conclusion. Word example ಇದೆ, word problem ನಲ್ಲೇ conclusion ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Anywhere I did not write. Okay, yes. So let V be the volume and let R be the radius of the sphere. Okay, now given, what they have given? Volume.
Only radius
Yes.
value, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So volume increases with what?
With respect to radius.
Respect to radius. Okay. Therefore, first and foremost thing, write the volume that you know. What is the
4
volume?
by 3 pi r cube.
R cube. Therefore, differentiating V with respect to what now?
Radius.
With respect to radius R. Okay. What we get? dV by dr equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube d by dr. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal to 4 by 3
by
pi
Pi
into
3
R
r square.
r square. Correct? Sorry, r. That will be 3r square. That's it. Any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ma'am.
3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
4
so
pi.
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. And this is volume. So volume ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Okay, they have not given any centimeter. They have given here.
Okay, ma'am.
Here it is centimeter given. So centimeter per second cube. Okay. So iದೇನಾಯ್ತು? In general, okay, as the R changes, this is at this rate, volume changes. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One condition. What is that condition?
R is equal to 10.
When R equals to 10. So this is when it is in general. And now when it is
400 pi.
yes. So this is 10 square. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 400 pi centimeter cube per second. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what will be your conclusion here? Therefore, the rate of increase of volume with respect to radius is 400 pi and the unit.
Yes, ma'am.
To conclusion you barilebeku. And when I'm sending you the notes, I will mention everything in the notes. Okay. But keep
Okay.
in mind that you have to write the conclusion. Any doubts in this example to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Next question. Any the next question? No? 400 pi. This let it be. Now anyhow they have not asked volume in terms of the unit. No, let it be as it is. Let it be only 400 pi. Okay. They have given in general what is the rate of change of volume with respect to rate. That will be 405. Okay, we'll move on to the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 9 is over 10. This example is very important. Okay, I'm repeating myself. Very important example. This was asked many times. Very important. Completely different example. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐದರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎನಿವೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೀಡ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You start reading. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. Correct? Okay. So one by one we will write on the figure for that. Suppose this is a wall. Okay. So wall, it will be always straight, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? A ladder. Okay. A ladder is leaning against the wall. ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ಈ ladder ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಇಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ladder ಗೋಡೆಗೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
What they are telling, what is the length of this ladder?
5 meter.
5 meters. Okay. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. First sentence is over. Next we'll go second sentence. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Okay. So ನಾನು first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ground ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So I will join this. So is this nothing but your ground?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ಈಗ ಇದು ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಫುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
What they have given, a ladder is leaning against the wall. So ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ವಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ladder ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, which is leaning against the wall. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? What is the length of the ladder?
5 meter.
So 5 meter ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Okay, so first ಅದು pulling ಏನಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Are they talking about ground here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಲ್ದು ಫುಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ದು ಫುಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಫುಟ್
Yes,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will take this as x meters. Tell me, is this nothing but some distance also from where
5
to?
meter.
So from
5 meter.
to 5 meter ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, ma'am.
Y I will take. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this nothing but a right angle triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let this is x square plus y square equals to what? 5 square. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು equation ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Be careful what I'm reading. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Okay, away from the wall. Yes. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, suppose can you all see this pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This my hand is wall and suppose this is the ladder. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, this is resting. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They are pulling from the wall, from the foot. Tell me, is this nothing but the foot of the ladder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಈ ಫುಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಫುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಈ ತರ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಲ್. ಇದು ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನ್ ದೂರ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಳೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ದೂರ ತಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ದೂರ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಲ್.
Ma'am, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ವಾಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ದೂರ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಈ ತರ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ
Yes,
ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ದೂರ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ
Yes, ma'am.
ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Lean.
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು
Y length ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ y ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ವಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಾಲಿಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಾಲಿಡ್.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ವಾಲ್ ಬೀಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವ ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Leaning wall, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೀನಿಂಗ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ladder was leaning. Okay, are you all
Yes,
getting?
ma'am.
Okay, yes, what they are telling. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? x ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, x ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And that rate they are giving. How much is the rate?
2 centimeter
Centimeter per
per second.
second.
So can I write this as change in x is nothing but 2 centimeter per second?
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಇದನ್ನ ಅವೇ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವ ರೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು? 2 centimeter ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ?
X.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ x ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? How fast the height on the wall is decreasing? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ನಮ್ದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our question? What I have to find now?
dy by dt.
dy by dt. Okay. When the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away. Foot of the ladder ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು. So x value ಏನಿದೆ?
4 meter. Ma'am ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They are asking ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್? ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. x ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೈಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ dx by dt ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ
dy
dt.
by dt.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
So I will write it a little bit properly. First and foremost thing, this is 5 meter, this is x meter, this is y meter. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ? Let x be the distance from where to where? Foot of ladder. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Let y be the height on the wall. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is wall to the ladder. And this length of ladder. Given, what is length of ladder given?
5
Five.
meter.
So then clearly I will get one equation. The right hand triangle. In the right hand triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the equation I get? Pythagoras theorem. What will be Pythagoras theorem? X square plus y square equals to what? 5 square. So ನಾನು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಗೆ. This is clear to everyone?
AB square plus
Next.
A
ಸೊ ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು?
B.
ಹೀಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ದೂರ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದೂರ ತಳ್ಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು? dx by dt ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ y ಚೇಂಜ್. Now what they have given? dx by dt. How much is dx by dt? What is last? dy by dt. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease in the height of height. Okay, decrease in the height. That is our question. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ equation use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Equation 1 I can use. Okay, now am I audible to everyone clearly?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, some disturbance, ma'am.
That is not my disturbance here. Somebody, you are sitting there. Even I can hear that disturbance. Mute yourself if you have no doubt. Okay. So now we have dx by dt ಬೇಕು, dy by dt ಬೇಕು. Which equation we can differentiate here? Equation 1. With respect to what you will differentiate?
Time.
Time. Correct alva? Because here they have given this is changing per second with respect to time. Okay, so now first I will do here, differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. Is this correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whatever I have written here, everything is perfectly fine. I will just remove this. So x square plus y square equals to 5 square. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? d by dt of x square plus y square equals to d by dt of 5 square. Okay, so this is nothing but d by dt of x square plus d by dt of y
Y
square,
square.
and this will be what? 0. Okay, next, what is derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. Other x with respect to t will be x by
dx by
y square will be
2y.
y with respect to t will be
dy by
dy
dt.
by dt.
correct. Main common ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Common ತಗೋಬಹುದು. x dx by dt ಆಯ್ತು plus y dy by dt ಆಯ್ತು, which is equals to 0. Is correct? Shift 2 on the other hand, will it become 0 by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
0 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು 0 ಆಯ್ತು. Now x how much is the x here given?
4.
4. So that is given as 4. So this will be 4 into. Also, how much is dx by dt? 2. Okay. Plus. 1 second. There is the figure. This we had taken x. This we had taken y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. We will use that 5 I2. 4 meter away from the wall. X I2. Okay. Now please move yourself. Okay. Yes. What I am doing? Yes. This y as it is. What I am trying to find here? dy by dt. Correct alva? ನನಗೆ dy by dt ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್?
Y.
y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ x ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ x ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ y ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
No, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ x?
4.
4. ಸರಿನಾ? So here I will use that. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25
25 minus 16.
4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 16. ಸೊ
16.
y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 9 ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟ್ y is nothing but what? Plus or minus 3. ಆದ್ರೆ y is nothing but what? Height on the height be negative?
No, ma'am.
No, height cannot be negative. So ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋತೀರಾ.
3.
ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ತು. I'm trying to find dy by dt. So first shift that 8. 8 becomes
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
minus 8. Correct? And ultimately dy by dt. dy by dt ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Minus 8. So what the height of the wall is decreasing? Minus 8 by 3. ಯಾಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅದು ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಅದು ಅಮ್ಮ ಓಡ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅವ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಇರೋದು. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮಂದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, can anybody tell me why it is minus? Because height on the wall is decreasing or increasing?
Ma'am.
Height on the wall is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing, ma'am.
Decreasing. That's
Minus
why
3.
the answer is minus. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ಈಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ladder was leaning and this is the ground distance ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ height ಅನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಇದು 5 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ನ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ರೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? 2 ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೇಟ್ ಗೆ y ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ dx by dt ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
dx by dt ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, dx by dt ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. dx by dt is 2 here. I have not cancelled. Okay. X
Okay, ma'am.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
Yes,
x
ma'am.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅವೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವೇ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅವೇ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ? x. ಸೊ x 4 ಇದೆ. ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ? 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ dt ಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹತ್ರ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ,
Yes,
0
ma'am.
ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. 0 by 2 you will get. 0 by 2
Okay, ma'am.
0.
Okay, ma'am.
arrow mark here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 2 ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is minus 8 by 3. Any doubts to anyone?
No, ma'am.
One second. Answer is wrong, no? ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಿದೆ?
ಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ನ ನೀವು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್? ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Answer is not wrong. I'll just check the NCERT question.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 5/18 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಅವರು ಮೀಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದವರು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so they have kept it as it is only. They have written this in terms of centimeter only. Okay, yes. Procedure ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Will be written in centimeter. Okay, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We'll move on to the next one. Very important 5 marks question is this is. Okay, we'll move on. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Next question. Again next pattern. ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸೇಮ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. A particle moves along a curve. This is x cube. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. This is x cube plus 2. Yes. A particle moves along the curve 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Then find the points on the curve at which y coordinate changes 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Okay. So artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, curve ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the meaning of curve? The graph of the given function. Correct?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes, ma'am.
y equals to ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ x cube plus 2 divided by 6.
Six.
ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು 1 cube plus 2 3 ಆಯ್ತು, 3 by 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1 by
3.
1/2.
ಅದೇ ತರ x equals to 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 2 cube 8 ಆಯ್ತು, 8 plus 2 10 ಆಯ್ತು, 10 by 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 5 by 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Like get the graph of this function.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, say for example if you have taken x square, this is the graph of x square. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ what they are telling, it is the particle is there, one particle is there, it is moving along the curve of this function. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೀಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನೇನೋ ಒಂದ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
It is moving on the path. Okay, if this is a Cartesian system, tell me at every point you will get points or no?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes, ma'am.
y ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು x, y ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು x, y ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. At every point you will get x, y. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
There
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
particle which is moving along the curve. So when it moves along the curve, you have set of coordinates. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾರೆ? Find the points on the curve. Which are the points on the curve?
X, comma, y.
X, comma, y.
Tell me, these are the points on the curve or no?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ. So these are the points on the curve. So ನಾನು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ?
X, comma,
X and y coordinates.
Very good. So I have to
Very
find those coordinates or those point. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? x ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ y ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
yes, ma'am.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? y is changing 8 times than of x coordinate. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? y is changing. ಓಕೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಕೆನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ dy by dt?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Ma'am.
ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 8 times that of
Dx.
dx by dt. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, y ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, x ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. y ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 8 times than that of as fast as x coordinate. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ given what is given? 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Okay, now ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? let x comma y be any point. There will be many points, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let x comma y be any point on the curve of what function? 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Let x comma y be any point on the curve of 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Correct? Now, some equation they have given. Okay, ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ equation? y is changing. How y is changing? 8 times than that of change in x. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So let this is equation 2. Okay, so let us differentiate equation 1. With respect to what you will differentiate?
ಟೈಮ್.
Time. Okay, so differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನನ್ಗೆ? d by dt of 6y and here d by dt of q plus 2. Okay na? Okay. 6 ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. Differentiation of y with respect to t will be what?
dy by dt.
dy by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x cube ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
3x square.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ x ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
dx by dt.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್
Zero.
0. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ dy by dt equals to 3x square dx by dt. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Yes. Can I cancel 3 here? 3
Yes,
1
ma'am.
3 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Okay.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದನ್ನ either you convert y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Now from equation 1, can I write dy by dt as 8 dx by dt?
ಎಸ್
Yes,
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ma'am.
ಸೊ ಈ dy by dt ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ 2 ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. dy by dt ಏನಿದೆ?
8 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ
dx by dt ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? dx
X
by
square.
correct. Now from both sides can I take out dx by dt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 16 ಉಳಿತು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? x
X
square.
square.
So x
dx.
square ಉಳಿದ್ರಿಂದ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Plus or minus 4.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4. ನಮ್ಗೆ x, y ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಬರೀ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? From equation 1. But how many cases you will get here?
2 cases.
Cases. When x is 4. Okay.
Plus
When x is 4, 6y equals to x cube. What is 4 cube?
32.
64.
Or is 62? Cube alwa?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. This is cube. So 64 ಆಯ್ತು plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು. So y ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
66.
Divided by 6. 11 ಆಯ್ತು. Correct alwa?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is one set here? 4,
4, 11.
second. X equals to minus
Minus 4.
6y ಆದ್ರೆ minus 4 cube ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
64.
Minus 64.
Minus 64. Plus 2.
So ಅವಾಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus
60, minus 62.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
Minus 62.
Minus 62 divided by 6 ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
That is 2 3s are 331 by 3 ಸಿಕ್ತು. Correct? So what is your one more point? Minus 4 minus 31 by 3. So what are the points on the curve? One second. Are these the points on the curve?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So what is either it is 4 comma 11 or it is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. And that's your answer. Any doubts in the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕರ್ವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ವೈ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್? y was changing as x changes. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಗೆ? 8 times than that of x ಅಂತ. That's it. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Next. This is 1 by 2. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? The radius of an air bubble. Okay. So ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Air bubble. So air bubble is nothing but what? Can I consider this as a sphere?
Yes, ma'am.
The radius of air bubble. So this is the radius. What is the experiment? Is increasing. What is increasing here? The radius. Okay. At what rate it is increasing? 1 by
1 by 2 centimeters.
Then at what rate the volume of the bubble increase when the radius is 1 centimeter? Okay. So tell me the radius of the volume of the bubble is increasing with respect to what here?
Radius.
Radius.
So that is very important. So first and foremost thing we will write, let V be the volume of the sphere. And what is sphere? Nothing but here?
Air bubble.
Bubble. Okay. And similarly, let
R be
radius of the sphere. Okay. Sphere is nothing but what here? Air bubble. Okay. And we know that what is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
pi r cube.
Correct. Next, what they have given, the radius of the air bubble is increasing. So, yen change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter per second.
Even dr by 1 second. This is dr by 2 only, no? This is the textbook. ನಾನು just textbook ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು question miss ಯಾವ question ಇದು?
12th one.
The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1.2 centimeter. At what rate? What rate is the volume of the bubble increasing? At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing? Okay. With respect to time ಇದೆ. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
With respect to time only it is. So dr by dt. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ dr by dt?
1 by 2
by 2 centimeter.
centimeter per second.
Yes. So tell me the rate of change of volume you will find with respect to time or with respect to radius? With respect
Time.
to time here.
With
Correct?
respect to time.
Very good. Okay. So given is dr by dt. What is asked? What is asked? dv by dt. ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What is the rate of volume of the bubble increasing? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So differentiate v
4 by
respect to t. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು dv by dt ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು d by dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So 4 by 3 ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. pi
Pi.
ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. r
3r square
r square ಆಮೇಲೆ r
dr by dt.
dr by dt. Okay. So 3 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. So in general dv by dt ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 4 pi r square dr by dt. So this is your in general change in the volume or increase in the volume. So at what rate the volume is increasing? At the
1
rate
by
of, sorry, dr by dt ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is dr by
yes,
dt?
ma'am. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು?
5r square.
2 pi r square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಉಳಿತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your in general increase in the volume. At what rate the volume is increasing? At the rate of 2 pi.
2 pi r square.
Any doubts still here to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Next condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The
Radius
increase
is 1 centimeter.
radius is 1 centimeter. So this is your in general increase rate ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟು rate ಗೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ r equals to 1. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 2 pi ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? r square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 pi will be
Ma'am, dv by dt na dr by dt na ma'am.
dv by dt ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? At what rate the volume of the bubble is increasing? dr by dt
Yes, ma'am.
in dr by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು 1 by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
So now r is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 pi is 2 pi. So your answer is 2 pi. So what is the increase in the volume when r is 1 centimeter? 2
2
pi.
pi.
5 centimeter cube per second.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts still here to anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Next ಕೂಡ one sphere example ಇದೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿ then we will go to next question. Maybe next question we can go tomorrow. ಆದ್ರೆ sphere example ಇದೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only one sphere is remaining. After that you have next other geometrical figure. Okay. We will finish. More than 5 minutes is sufficient. We can finish this.
Okay.
Okay. A balloon which always remains spherical. So again, are they talking about sphere here?
Yes, ma'am.
A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. Okay. Has a variable diameter. What is the diameter? Three by 2. Okay, 1 second. 3 by 2. 2x plus 1. Yes. Stop talking. Yes. So a balloon which always remains spherical has a diameter. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So 1 by 1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let d be the diameter of this sphere. Okay. So let d be the diameter of this sphere. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sphere is nothing but what? The object is. Okay. Now let what is that?
Radius.
Okay. Now diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is given diameter? 3 by 2, 2x.
Into 2x plus 1.
Next. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
Ma'am,
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅವರು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
What we have to find? Diameter is given. Correct alva? Now tell me what is diameter and in terms of radius?
R by 2.
Radius will be what? 2 times of diameter. Correct alva? Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
2 times of radius. So what will be radius? D by 2.
D by 2.
So radius will be half of the diameter. Correct alva?
Yes, ma'am.
First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ R. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ
ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
What about
ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೀವು ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No ma'am.
Please refresh. Now tell me, is radius half of the diameter?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಈಗ
Yes
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ma'am.
Yes. ಅದು diameter ಏನಿದೆ 3/2 2x plus 1 divided by 2. So ಇದು reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 2x plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 2 into 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 4 ಆಯ್ತು.
4
Radius
6x plus 1 6x plus 3.
that you can keep or we can see how the requirement is. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. Okay. What is the question? Find the rate of change of its volume. Okay. So first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. D ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, R ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Let V be the volume of the sphere. Okay. Sphere is nothing but here balloon. Okay. Find the rate of change of its volume. So ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
dv by dt.
TV. Okay. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? With respect to X ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
dv by dx.
Very good. So here I have to find dv by dx. Clear ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ find volume rate with respect to x. So what I have to find? dv by dx. Is this correct?
Yes ma'am.
This is your given part. This is your given part. Diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು but radius is half of the diameter. Now which
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
value?
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ,
Radius
ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್
of ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Now we know that volume of the sphere. What is volume of the sphere?
4/3 pi r cube.
by r cube. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? 3/3 2x plus 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
But okay, by taking r value v
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹೌದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ either you can substitute here or ಅಲ್ಲಿ dr by dx ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So better you substitute here only. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು? 4/3 pi ಆಯ್ತು, r cube ಆಯ್ತು. r cube ಏನಿದೆ? 3/4 2x plus 1 ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದು 4/3 pi ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
27.
4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
64.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ 2x plus 1 whole cube ಉಳಿತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes ma'am.
Whatever I have written, is this correct?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So first, okay, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Yes. So now can I
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
differentiate?
ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Constant will remain as it is only, no?
Yes,
Constant
ma'am.
into function it is. Constant into function ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಂಗೆ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So then you have to multiply that. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? v ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು dv by dx ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. So dv by dx and here also d by dx. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 3 1s are 3s are. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 3 9s.
Sorry, 3 9s are. Next here
4 16s.
16s are. Anything else cancel? No. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿತು? 9 pi ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿತು? 16 ಉಳಿತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 2x plus 1 whole cube.
So this constant as it is. Now tell me, do we need to apply chain rule here?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Treat it as x cube. What is derivative of x cube?
3x square.
3x square.
So 3x square. ಆದ್ರೆ x
2x plus 1.
2. So 2 ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. x ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 1 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಉಳಿತು ಇವಾಗ? 9 pi by 16 ಉಳಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿತು? 3 ಉಳಿತು. 2x plus 1 square ಉಳಿತು into 2 ಉಳಿತು. So again 2 ones are 2 8s I can cancel, right?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So this is 9 into 3 27 ಆಯ್ತು. 5 ಉಳಿತು. 2x plus 1 whole square ಉಳಿತು. Divided by denominator ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು?
8.
Now this is the rate of change of volume with respect to x.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just I'll check whether they have converted this in decimal or let it be as it is. ಯಾವ question ಇದು?
13.
Okay, as it is. Okay. And now this is the rate of change of volume with respect to x. What was given here? Sphere was given again. Where diameter was given. What was the diameter? 3/2 2x plus 1. Any doubts?
Diameter.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So for today it is fine. This much we will stop. Few more. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3-4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು exercise ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So this much you have to prepare for 5 minutes.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Any doubts to any of 10 students in the class?
No, ma'am.
All 10 students. Is the class for today, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. So please practice properly. Give me time, little bit. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll try to send the notes of your complete exercise 1. And I have posted entire notes of continuity and differentiability exercise notes. Ellaru nodidira?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Entire continuity differentiability I have already uploaded, and the content of this chapter also I have already updated. Okay, so please go through everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, we'll end the class. Take care everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.